Hello my precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Win and welcome to my YouTube channel The Sassy Leo. Guys, today's video is an interesting one because today I am up here with my bare naked face without doing any kind of makeup. Do you know what this means? It clearly means कि मैं आज review करने वाली हूँ a skincare product which I am very excited about. So guys, today let's talk about the thing that I have been personally ignoring for years now. Yes, I am talking about under eyes. So I am the kind of person who is touch wood very blessed because I don't have dark circles and I was a believer. I was nahi, you can say that I am still a keen believer that you don't really need a separate under eye cream for your dark circles. I feel that my moisturizer itself does the job pretty well. So that is the reason I have been ignoring my under eyes for quite a while now. But guess what? Today I am here because I want to review under eye mask. Yes, you got me correct. From the title itself आपको समझ आ ही गया होगा कि today I will be reviewing this, the star of our show. It is Nykaa Matcha De-Puffing Hydrogel Eye Mask. And guys, let me tell you that finally, after ages, I am so happy that I invested in such kind of a thing like this. And you know what? इसके पहले मैंने कोई भी अंडर आई क्रीम या अंडर आई जेल या कुछ भी ऐसा यूज़ नहीं किया है. इवन मैंने ये मास्क भी अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया है. I will be using it today in front of all of you, in front of the camera, and we will see if are these even worth your money. Do these actually work or not? And no guys, I am not really here to just put on these jelly thingy under my eyes and after 5 minutes tell you that whoa, my under eyes are glowing just in 5 minutes. No, we are not going to do so. We are going to do a full-fledged review of this product and see if these are actually worth your money or not. So if you want to know what are my personal views, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am the Sassy Leo, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into grey and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just get up and get going. So guys, let's just start with the packaging of this product. By the way, look at the pretty color theme, you guys. Fully perfectly matcha coated, है ना? इसके front side पे it is written that it is Nykaa Matcha De-Puffing Hydrogel Eye Mask infused with caffeine extracts. And back side पे you get the information about the product. By the way, this retails for 149 rupees, but currently I think you get it for 109 or 110 rupees something. मैंने जो परचेज किया है उस पे it is written that it is manufactured on 2/26, that is Feb 26, and you need to use it before 2/28, that is February 2028 के पहले हमें इसे use करना है. We also get a lot of directions for use. इसमें ingredients क्या क्या है. Let's just quickly go ahead with the directions of use. They tell us to apply this under the eyes, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. So I guess this is fine. We will keep it for half an hour, okay? Remove the mask and discard. Gently patch remaining serum into your skin. So of course this is one time use. And I feel for one time use one pair 110 rupees जो इसकी present MRP है. MRP तो 149 rupees है by the way, but 110 rupees for one time use I feel कि थोड़ा सा expensive हो जाता है, but सारे eye mask आजकल इसी range में मिल रहे हैं. So yeah, let's just quickly dig in and see how does this product work. I am just not able to tear it. Oh, done. Now it comes in such kind of a packaging. वो सब तो ठीक है गाइज, इसे निकालूं कैसे? ओ ओ ओके ओके ओके। इसकी पैकेजिंग ना इज़ वेरी वेरी सिमिलर टू लेंस की जो पैकेजिंग आती है, ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि वो भी वैसे ही टाइप में कुछ आता है। भीनी भीनी खुशबू है इसमें। लेट्स पुट देम ऑन। दिस एक्चुअली फील्स रिफ्रेशिंग लग रहा है यार। ओ ओ ओ ओ भाई निकलना मत। ओ नो, ये लिटरली जेली है गाइज, एंड आई हैपन टू टेयर इट। एप्लीकेशन इज प्रिटी डन, एंड यू नो वॉट, काफ़ी ज़्यादा कूलिंग सेंसेशन तो मिला है। टू थिंग्स दैट आई लव अबाउट दिस इज़, पहली तो भीनी भीनी खुशबू जो बिल्कुल भी ओवर पारिंग नहीं है, इट इज़ परफेक्ट। एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज़ जो ठंडक मिली है ना अंडर आइज में, यू नो वॉट, दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी स्लाइमी। आई डोंट नो वाई, ये तो परफेक्टली सेट हो गया है, लेकिन दिस बेबी इट इज़ ड्रैगिंग डाउन। Maybe I should just shut my mouth up and sit for a while, but you know what, I have to talk to you guys, so I am not going to do so. ये नीचे आ रहा है तो हम इसे एडजस्ट करेंगे, बट हम चुप नहीं रहेंगे। यू नो वॉट, मैंने इसे परचेज करने से पहले, एक्चुअली मैंने इसे परचेज नहीं किया है, ये मुझे आई थिंक एज अ फ्री गिफ्ट मिला था, तब से मैंने इसे यूज़ नहीं किया है बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू सेव इट फॉर दिस वीडियो। सो या जब ये आया था तब आई सर्च्ड फॉर यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ जो इसका रिव्यू करे, बट यू नो वॉट, एक भी चैनल पे किसी ने भी इसका फुल फ्लेश रिव्यू किया नहीं है। सो योर गर्ल गॉट यू कवर्ड गाइज। I am definitely going to do a full-fledged review of this, and this guy, this is not sticking properly. Alright guys, so now I will be studying for a while and I will catch you after 30 minutes when I am ready to remove them.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright guys, it's been 28 to 29 minutes now and I am here to remove them. बट थोड़ा टाइम और रख लेते हैं, इसने मुझे बहुत परेशान किया है, लेट मी टेल यू। ये बस ऐसे ही हो रहा है, ये ऐसे रह ही नहीं रहा है। एनीवेज, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग जो मैंने नोटिस की जब मैंने इसे अप्लाई किया है, तो इट इज़ द कूलिंग सेंसेशन, एंड दैट सेंसेशन इज़ रियली satisfying, you know. So if you have had a long day, if you want to have your me time or self-care session kind of a thing, and if you want to relax, then this one I guess is the perfect option. Or you may even use it in the morning when you feel कि you are still feeling tired. If you want, you may definitely go with this one. These are quite in trend these days, बहुत ज़्यादा fancy लगते हैं, but now let's just remove it and see if these actually made a difference or not. Did these make any difference? Let's remove this one क्योंकि इसने तो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान किया है guys. Okay, this actually gives a cooling sensation, but guys other than that I am not feeling कि इसने और कुछ किया है. This is how my under eyes are looking right now. Do you think it made any difference? Because for me बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रास्टिक चेंज नहीं आया है. इट वॉज जस्ट द कूलिंग एंड रिफ्रेशिंग फीलिंग जो लगाने के तुरंत बाद आ जाती है, एंड यू फील रिलैक्स्ड, एंड आई गेस दैट इज़ द मेन मोटिव ऑफ यूजिंग दिस मास्क. वो और भी कुछ ज़्यादा क्लेम वैसे भी नहीं करते हैं, सो दिस इज़ जस्ट फॉर दैट रिलैक्सिंग सेशन. So if you want a cooling, refreshing sensation with the goodness of matcha and caffeine extracts, then you may definitely go ahead with this. I feel once in a while using this is okay. On a regular basis, I am not going to use it. Because come on, if I want that cooling sensation, I would straight away go and use my ice roller under my eyes, and उसमें I can regulate कि मैं कौन सी ingredients use कर सकती हूँ, be it rice water or rose petals या थोड़ा सा matcha, and if I rub it, I will get the same sensation. Even it is more refreshing than this. So Yeah, this was all about my honest review. If you want, you may give it a fair shot, but for me, I am going to use it once in a while, not on a regular basis. So for me, this is actually a 3.5 on 5. Have you used this before? And if yes, then please do tell me in the comments what are your thoughts about this. I would love to hear from all of you guys. And with this, we come to an end of today's video. If you like this video, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials. Link in the description bar below. And please do tell me in the comments what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Until then, this is me, Vin, signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.